Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated tech releases of 2024, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone has been creating quite a buzz, and for good reason. With a host of rumored upgrades and features, it's set to be a game changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. Larger sensor. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its rumored larger sensor. Speculation suggests it could be equipped with a 1-inch sensor, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessors. A larger sensor means better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. This enhancement will allow photographers and videographers to capture stunning, detailed shots even when the lighting isn't perfect. Imagine the possibilities for nighttime shoots or early morning captures. Extended flight time. Another exciting feature of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its extended flight time. Rumors suggest that this drone could stay in the air for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. This is a significant improvement, providing users with more time to capture those perfect shots without the constant worry of swapping out batteries. Whether you're filming a scenic landscape or tracking a moving subject, this extended flight time ensures you have ample opportunity to get the footage you need. Improved obstacle sensing. Safety is always a top priority when flying drones, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel in this area with its improved omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. This advanced feature will make it even safer to fly in tricky environments, such as dense forests or urban areas with many obstacles. The enhanced sensors will help the drone detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on capturing stunning visuals. Advanced tracking and AI modes. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take tracking and cinematic capabilities to the next level. With more responsive tracking features, this drone will be able to follow subjects with greater precision and stability. Additionally, the inclusion of AI-assisted cinematic modes could revolutionize how users create content. These intelligent modes will help automate complex shots, making it easier for anyone to capture professional quality footage. Whether you're a seasoned drone operator or a beginner, these features will enhance your creative possibilities. Lightweight design. Despite all these advanced features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain its lightweight design, staying under 250 grams. This is a crucial aspect for many users as it keeps the drone portable and easy to carry around. Moreover, staying under this weight limit often means fewer regulatory restrictions in many regions, allowing for more freedom to fly. The combination of advanced technology and a lightweight design makes the Mini 5 Pro an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Finally, let's talk about the expected price range for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Based on current rumors, it's anticipated to be priced similarly to the Mini 4 Pro, which means we can expect it to be in the range of $849 to $899. This price point positions the Mini 5 Pro as a premium yet accessible option for both enthusiasts and professionals looking for top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Considering the advanced features and improvements, this drone offers great value for its price. To wrap things up, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive addition to the drone market. With its larger sensor, extended flight time, improved obstacle sensing, advanced tracking, and lightweight design, it promises to deliver exceptional performance and versatility. If you're excited about the latest in drone technology, the Mini 5 Pro is definitely one to watch. Stay tuned for more updates and be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and reviews on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other cutting-edge tech.